Last year, the Brit Awards took steps to have a more gender-balanced voting academy, and this year, attendees will wear a white rose pin to acknowledge the entertainment industry's fight against sexual harassment. But gender inequality among Brit nominees is yet to be addressed. Women make up just 17.5% of the writing credits on songs nominated for Best Single Brit Awards, according to analysis by The Telegraph. It's made little to no progress in 2 decades. Since 1999, 616 songwriters have been credited on Best Single nominated songs, but only 108 have been women. The same gender inequality was apparent during January's Grammy Awards. The ceremony was marred by the lack of women musicians being recognised for their work, causing Grammys So Male to trend on Twitter. It came mere days after a study by academic Dr. Stacey Smith found that women comprised just 12.3% of the songwriters behind the 600 most popular songs from the past 5 years. Although songwriting teams have become larger on average since 1999, the level of female representation has stayed more or less static. Between 2009 and 2018, 18% of writers were women, compared to 17% between 1999 and 2008. The data also shows that while male songwriters write for all kinds of artists, female songwriters are far more likely to write songs for other women than they are for men.